Force and fraud are in war the two cardinal virtues. Hell is truth seen too late. Leisure is the mother of philosophy. Words are the money of fools. Curiosity is the lust of the mind. The condition of man is a condition of war of everyone against everyone. Fear and I were born twins. The desire of power in excess caused the angels to fall. The desire of knowledge in excess caused man to fall. The obligation of subjects to the sovereign is understood to last as long and no longer than the power lasteth by which he is able to protect them. Force makes nature more violent in the return. Science is the knowledge of consequences and dependence of one fact upon another. There is no such thing as perpetual tranquility of mind while we live here, because life itself is but motion, and can never be without desire, nor without fear, no more than without sense. Such truth as opposeth no man's profit nor pleasure is to all men welcome. The privilege of absurdity, to which no living creature is subject but man only. Covenants without the sword are but words and of no strength to secure a man at all. War consisteth not in battle only, or the act of fighting, but in a tract of time, wherein the will to contend by battle is sufficiently known. If men are naturally in a state of war, why do they always carry arms, and why do they have keys to lock their doors? No arts, no letters, no society, and, which is worst of all, continual fear and danger of violent death, and the life of man, solitary, poor, nasty, brutish, and short. The power of the sword can no more be abolished than the power of light. The value or worth of a man is, as of all other things, his price. Words are wise men's counters, they do but reckon by them, but they are the money of fools. Laughter is nothing else but sudden glory rising from some sudden conception of some eminency in ourselves by comparison with the infirmity of others. The condition of human nature is a condition of war of everyone against everyone. It is not wisdom, but authority that makes a law. The mob is a beast. In the state of nature, profit is the measure of right. To this war of every man against every man, this also is consequent, that nothing can be unjust. Hope is a great hunger after a great meal. The world in general judges of men much by their fortunes. Prudence is but experience. Nature has made men so equal in the faculties of the body and mind. The flesh endures the storms of the present alone, the mind, those of the past and future as well as the present. A man cannot lay down the right of resisting them that assault him by force to take away his life.